Hi students, problem number 3. A man goes downstream at x km per hour and upstream at y km per hour. So the speed of the boat in still water has to be determined. Now let us take the speed in still water is this is the boat, okay, speed of boat in still water, and let us take SW is the speed of water. So what is given here? X is equal to, that is a downstream speed. So downstream, in downstream the speed is downstream speed is x. So x is equal to SB plus SW. Okay. Similarly, upstream means against. So upstream speed is given by y km per hour. So y must be equal to what? The speed of boat minus the speed of water. So what is the actual speed of the boat? That is SB has to be determined. So this is the first equation and this is the second equation. Now you add both the equations 1 and 2. Left hand sides, when I add, it will become x plus y. The right hand sides, when I add, it will become SB plus SW plus SB minus SW. So the term getting cancelled will be SW minus SW. So x plus y is equal to twice the speed of the boat. Therefore, the actual speed of the boat must be equal to what? 1 by 2 into x plus y. Very simple numerical problem. Okay. So option A itself is the right answer. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. So we have done by steps because it is the beginning level learning steps. Okay. At higher level, you should not do like this in the competitive exam. Just by reading the problem itself, you can get the answer in mind. Mind calculation is required. That practice will come only when you do such problems in more number. Okay, I hope you must have understood this well. Fine.